children, and welcome to the channel Ready Study. In this channel, you will get some innovative videos of maths and science based on CBSE curriculum. Please go through these videos, share among your friends, subscribe the channel, and don't forget to press the bell icon. Hello children, in class 6th we studied about plant fibers, that is the cotton and jute. Now in class 7th we'll talk about animal fibers. Animal fibers are those fibers which we get from animals like wool and silk. And you know that all the animals who give us wool are known as wool yielding animals. For example, sheep, goat, camel, yak, llama, alpaca, etc. All these animals are known as wool yielding animals. In this chapter, you'll see one word, selective breeding. You must know the meaning. Actually, the selective breeding is the process of selecting parent sheep for getting special characteristics in their offsprings, like soft under hair. This is a special characteristic which we want in the offsprings of the sheep. So we can say that the process of selecting parent sheep is known as selective breeding. Now all of you must have heard about the Angora wool and Pashmina wool. How do we get it? Pashmina wool we get from Kashmiri goat and Angora wool we get from Angora goat. Processing fiber into wool. This is our first heading. In this, you will read one word, fleece, repeatedly. So you should know the meaning of fleece also. What is fleece? The uppermost dead layer of skin having a thick coat of hair is called fleece. So in the processing of wool, the first step is shearing. S-H-E-A-R-I-N-G. The first step is shearing. What is shearing? The process of removing hair from the body of a sheep in the form of fleece is known as shearing. Shearing is done by machines. And after shearing, the fleece is sold in the wool factory. The second step is scoring. The washing of fleece with clean water in large tanks in order to remove dirt and grease is known as scoring, and after this the fiber is dried. The third step is sorting. Sorting, the process of separating the fleece into sections according to the quality of wool fibers such as fine, coarse, long and short, etc. is called sorting. Our next step, that is step number 4, is dyeing. D-Y-E-I-N-G. Dye means to color. Actually, the natural fleece is white, brown or black in color. So after sorting, it can be dyed in various colors. Now step 5 is combing. Combing, it is a method to prepare woolen fibers for spinning. Combing is done by large combs having metallic teeth in order to straighten the woolen fibers and also removes burrs from it. And the last step is spinning. The long woolen fibers are twisted into thick yarn called wool, which is used for knitting sweaters, etc. And the short fibers are spun into fine yarns and then woven on loom to make woolen cloth. after the processing, we will talk about one more important topic, that is occupational hazards. The risks faced by people working in any industry due to the nature of their work is called occupational hazard. In this wool industry, we can say that the occupational hazard is sorter's disease. Actually, wool is a very important source of livelihood for many people in our country. The people who do the job of sorting fleece into fibers of different qualities are called sorters. The sorters sometimes get infected by the bacteria called anthrax, which causes a dangerous blood disease called sorter's disease. If you have any doubt or query regarding these topics, you may surely write your questions in the comment box and your queries will be answered definitely.